Here's how to upgrade SmartFabric OS10 in a VLT environment using SCP. This applies to S and Z series switches only. For switches in an MX chassis, check dell.com/support for help. You'll need access to the switch, the OS10 image, and an SCP client like WinSCP. Download the image from your Dell My account. For more information, see KB article 180674. This is not a comprehensive guide. Before attempting an upgrade, please read the Dell SmartFabric OS10 installation, upgrade and downgrade guide carefully. In particular, please review the sections on X509.v3 certificate expiry and the supported upgrade paths. If you're running 10.5.0.5 or earlier, read this section. If you're advertising BGP prefixes, read this one. And note there are model-specific callouts for S4100 and S5200 switches. Before upgrading OS10, first upgrade the ONI software, then the networking firmware. These are available on dell.com/support. Please remember there is always a risk of traffic loss during a VLT upgrade. We recommend scheduling a maintenance window to do this. This method requires that the Linux admin passwords be changed from the default before continuing. If you haven't done this already, run configure terminal, then optionally service simple-password to disable password length and complexity checks. Then run system-user Linux admin password with your new password. Then exit and write memory. In your SCP client, connect to both switches using the Linux admin account. Then, on each, navigate to the /var/tmp directory and copy the firmware across from your local machine. Once the copy is complete, run system sudo-i to switch to the Linux shell, cd/var/tmp to move to that directory, then ls-l to list the contents. Confirm the image is present. Use the cp command to copy the image to the image directory, then exit the Linux shell and run dir image to confirm it's present. Then use the copy command to back up the startup.xml file to the admin home directory. For each peer, navigate to /home/admin in WinSCP, then copy the backup config to your local machine. Optionally, as an extra precaution, run show running-configuration pipe no-more. Copy the output and paste it into a text file on your workstation. Run the image install command to install your image on the standby partition of each switch. Run show image status to check the progress. It usually takes around 30 minutes to complete. Upgrade one switch at a time, starting with the secondary VLT peer to minimise traffic disruption. Run show VLT all to see which peer is secondary. Here, at the moment, it's VLT peer 2. On your secondary peer only, run boot system standby to set the newer OS version to run on the next boot. Run show boot to check the next boot partition is set to standby and that the standby partition has the correct OS version. Before continuing to a reboot, check your VLTI by running show VLT all and confirming port channel 1000 is up. Then check the heartbeat by running show VLT all backup-link and confirming peer heartbeat status is up. If they are, run reload and type yes to confirm to reboot the switch. Your terminal window will close. Wait a few minutes for the switch to restart, then reconnect and run show version. Confirm the version number is correct. Again, run show VLT all. If the remaining restore time value is visible, wait the indicated time, then run show VLT all again to confirm the countdown has completed and is no longer visible. Confirm port channel 1000 is up. Then run show VLT all backup-link and confirm peer heartbeat status is up. Now repeat the same steps on your other peer. Run boot system standby, then show boot and check the settings. Run show VLT all, confirm port channel 1000 is up. Run show VLT all backup-link, confirm peer heartbeat status is up. Run reload to reboot the switch. Reconnect and run show version. Confirm the version number is correct. Again, run show VLT all. Wait for the remaining restore time counter to expire if applicable, and confirm port channel 1000 is up. Lastly, run show VLT all backup-link and check peer heartbeat status is up. The OS upgrade is now complete. If you made any other changes, remember to save your configuration with write memory before quitting. Thanks for watching.